Hello! So today we are doing a little trip from Helsingborg. It's 40 kilometers away, tiny village called Molle, which is a famous summer sport for Swedish people. And close by there is a national reservoir, and we will walk a little bit through it, so keep watching. The hike is really nice. I would say it's not difficult at all. Just the weather surprised us that it's much warmer than we expected. There are quite many people here during the weekend, so probably if you have a time it's better to visit the place on weekdays. Be careful when you're walking here because there are some poisonous snakes. How do you like it, Danny?
What, the walk?
Yes. How would you rate it?
Out of 1 to 10?
Yes.
5.